Do you want to extend your C drive and the extend volume option is grayed out? In this video, I'll show you two ways to fix this. The first method uses built-in tools only, while the second method uses a third-party software. Let's begin. So here, I want to match this test partition D to the C drive, but the extend volume option is grayed out, so I am unable to do the merging. You can only extend C if the target partition you want to add to it is unallocated and right next to C. So essentially, you need to move any middle partition between C and the target partition out of the way. Now, there are two possible cases: whether this middle partition is a normal partition or a recovery partition as we have here. If it is a normal partition, simply right-click it and select Delete Volume. Ensure to back up the content of that partition first. If it is a recovery partition, however, then you are unable to delete it using disk management. This is the most common case and the one we look at in this video. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Go to your search bar and type CMD. Right-click the command prompt and select Run as administrator. Now, you need to first list all the partitions in your main disk. Run this list of commands to do that. Select disk O or whichever disk contains your C drive. Mine is disk 0. These are all the partitions in the main disk. Now, you need to identify the recovery partition and the target partition that you want to match to C. This is my recovery partition and this is my target partition, 10 gig. Next, you need to select and delete each of them. Run the two commands shown on the screen to do this. Let's start with the test partition. Repeat the same for the recovery partition. Now, go back to disk management. You now see a block of unallocated space right next to your C drive. Now right-click your C drive and you can now select the extend volume. Simply select extend volume and then follow the wizard. Your C drive is now extended. Finally, you can simply restart your PC and Windows will recreate the recovery partition inside the C drive. If you want a dedicated recovery partition, however, which I actually recommend, then check my channel for a video on how to create a dedicated recovery partition. You can also exit Diskpart. In this section, I will show how to use the MiniTool partition wizard to extend C when the extend volume option is grayed out in disk management. Other third-party tools like AOME and EaseUS work in similar ways. So here, I want to match this test partition 2 to my C drive, but the extend volume option is grayed out. You can only extend C if the target partition you want to add to it is unallocated and right next to C. First, ensure that the test partition is unallocated. To do that, simply right-click on the test partition and select Delete Volume. Now it is unallocated. Next, download the free version of MiniTool Partition Wizard. Open your browser and search for MiniTool Partition Wizard. Scroll down to the MiniTool website. This is MiniTool and click on it. Click on Download Freeware. Okay, it has finished downloading. Next, install the tool. So, locate the tool. I'll go to Download folder. Double click on it to install it. Yes. Simply follow the installation wizard. I already installed it before, so I will just click on Yes here. We'll just launch the tool as well. So I will select this to launch the tool as well. We can close this. Now look at your disk layout. This is the recovery partition we want to move out of the way. Right click on it and select Move Resize. Now drag it to the far right and click on OK. You can see that the recovery partition has been moved out of the way, and now the unallocated space is right next to C. Now right click your C drive and select Extend. In the drop down, select the unallocated space you want to match to C. Then drag the slider all the way to the right. Then click on OK. Then click on Apply. It will give you a warning. Just select Yes. And then OK. Now if you go back to Disk Management, your C drive is now extended and your recovery partition is still there. So this is easier than using Diskpart, but it also involves using a third-party tool. And that's how you use the MiniTool partition wizard to extend your C drive. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.